Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm at the Intermat pre-event press launch for the show in April. And I'm here with Bergerat Monnoyeur, I hope I pronounced that correct,
Right.
The Caterpillar dealer here. And we're talking now about what you've got on your stand for Intermat, which is going to be really exciting. And also, folks, you might notice a little sticker here. And this little sticker is saying that you've been nominated for one of the Innovation Awards for the show. So congratulations for that. But first of all, tell us about what people are going to be able to see on the Caterpillar stand this time.
So there's one thing we will show exclusivity in France for the first time is 3 electric models.
Okay.
So there are 3 prototypes shown by Caterpillar. So one 301.9, one 906, and one 950 GC, which are now electric. It's prototypes, and they will be shown for the first time in France on Intermat.
That's fantastic to see, because I've seen some of those prototypes at the shows that I've previously been to last year, and it's great to see those models coming for people to see at the event, particularly as it's a low carbon focus for Intermat this year as well. So also you're going to be having a few other products on the stand as well. What are they going to be?
Yeah, we will have rebuild, especially done for Intermat, a D6.
A D6 Dozer, fantastic.
Yeah. So completely rebuilt for the event.
Yeah.
And we'll have a 966 XE that will be shown on the fair too.
What really is interesting is when we're talking about low carbon at the show, rebuilds are obviously a great way to bring new life back into a machine.
We bought it from a customer back, and we are doing a complete rebuild on it. So he will come with a new serial number, new paint, and SMU at 0.
Yeah.
And we will sell it through our Bergerat used network to a customer as like a new machine.
Yeah, yeah. It's built to be rebuilt is the Caterpillar phrase as such. And I've seen people with off-highway trucks and things like that. It takes a lot of effort for people to do a rebuild, but when you look at the cost benefits, but also the environmental benefits, then that machine working again, still in the country, still in the customer portfolio. And obviously the critical thing with the rebuild and the Cat rebuild is it's certified, folks. Gone through lots of different steps in that process, and therefore you're able to give the warranty like a new machine, which gives me peace of mind as the customer. So it really is going to be a different stand. But before I go, there's a sticker here. Innovation Award. Yeah. What is it all about? It wasn't actually about equipment. This Innovation Award was about service and support. Yeah. So tell me a little bit about how you've become a nominee for the Innovation Award.
Yeah, so just to make the transition, we are talking about a lot of assets, machines.
Yeah.
Once you have the machine, you have to manage it.
Yep.
So you have several machines, you have a fleet, you have to be able to manage it. And our award is about that. It's how we use new technologies like IA, like augmented reality.
Right, okay.
To help our customer, to support our customer in the management of their fleets, and to improve and to support their look for performance.
Right. So,
This is our new offer we launched in 2023, so last year. It's called Connectivity and Service.
Right.
So the first step of that, if you want to manage your fleet, you have to have data.
Yes, of course you do. Yeah.
So we have to guarantee the emission of data from the assets. And as you know, technology evolves. We see it with our phone. Now we have 4G, 5G.
Yep.
And the old networks are going to be shut down, like 2G are going to shut down.
Yep.
But we have fleets that is old and younger, and some are using this old network. Or the ProductLink is broken or failed.
Yep.
So we have to replace it. With this offer, we guarantee to our customer to come and to replace this ProductLink and to guarantee the emission of data.
Wow.
So once you have the data, you have to be able to handle it.
Yes.
And the first step is this data allows us to make remote diagnosis. If you take a standard diagnosis, you have to call. We send the technician, so the technician has to be available.
Yep.
He has to go on site, make his diagnosis, call and order the parts, go back home, come back 1 day, 2 days after with the good parts, make the reparation, and then the machines go back to work.
Yep.
So we have easily 2, 3, 4 days gone before the machines go back to work. Thanks to the remote diagnosis, you are in front of your machine, my machine is down, I need the diagnosis. Okay, let's connect to your machine. Through your camera of your phone with augmented reality, we can see the machine.
Wow. Wow, okay.
And we make a diagnosis instantly without a technician going there.
And ultimately, that 3 days turns into less time and therefore turns into uptime.
Yeah, I have some interesting data for you.
Go on, go, yeah.
91% of our remote diagnosis are good.
91%. So come on, guys, that's you know.
It's working well.
Yeah, because some things you can't see because they're hidden in the.
And another data was really interesting because it's really time sparing and money sparing. It's that 1 machine out of 6 is put back to work remotely. So we don't have a technicians going to the machine to make it work again. So you saved several days and money because technicians going on site is cost money.
So no wonder it's an innovation, folks. And what I love is when technology comes in a practical way, using AI, backed up by the intelligence and understanding of an engineering team that allows you to get that machine back up and running. And this is the critical thing for me. And idling time, let's reduce that. Let's reduce the carbon burn. But when something goes wrong with a piece of equipment, no matter what equipment it is, equipment's always going to go down at some point in its lifetime. To get that back up and running and to reduce the impact that we've got on that and use resources more effectively, that gets my nod for an innovation award. And I certainly hope that you guys win it when the Intermat show is revealed. And I'll be there to see who is the innovation winner, but your nomination has really proved to be a success straight away here from the press event. Great to meet you.
Thank you.